dawat preps are ongoing. I have made halim. No wait, what am I saying? I've made kheer. Kheer जो है वो फ्रिज में रख दी है जमने के लिए. And I'm also making achari chicken, which I made yesterday and it was amazing. So we were like, let's make that again. So that's on the stove. It's currently cooking. यहाँ पे kapsa है, which is so yummy. Like ouch. The masala is ready. अब बस सिर्फ rice इसमें जाने. This is cooking away. That is amazing. And that, like, it tastes good. This मेरा ये सोच के मुँह में पानी आ रहा है कि oh my god, I can't wait to eat that. So that's currently cooking. अभी बस थोड़ा सा बाकी है and then we'll be all done. Then we can start prepping the drawing room. The drawing room का काम is all done. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys. I'll give you a sneak peek. There we go. So basically ये जो wall थी पहले, this was like this. So we decided कि you know why not open up this area by getting ribs put in जो कि wooden है पूरी and then like a mirror. So this would open up the whole room and it looks lovely. I still want to get a carpet for this room. I wanted to get one magar sadly lockdown की वजह से कुछ हो नहीं सका. So soon we'll get a carpet for this room. And yeah, it looks lovely. I can't wait to light some candles, make it cozy, make it all cold. Love it. Oh, by the way, Numan has just gone to get a plant for here. Because I feel like this corner is looking a little empty. So यहाँ पे एक plant जो है लंबा सा बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So hopefully he'll be back with that. Guys, this is the table so far. आज बहुत crazy गर्मी है. So what we've done is nobody's gonna sit at the table. They're just gonna take the food and sit in other places. And this is for the skewers, kebab, rice and the salan. काम ख़त्म हुए. I'm gonna take a shower. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my hair because गर्मी है, but I might do something. I'm not sure. This is my outfit. मैंने अभी इस्त्री किया है ये, and I got this from Aisha Sarfaraz. She's a designer on Instagram. उनका एक boutique है Instagram पे, so you can check her stuff out. I really liked this. I thought it was very unique, and I wanted something light and bright because obviously हम host कर रहे हैं आज, तो something light, easy breezy. Currently this is the state of me. Can't wait to shower. Let's go. I'm ready. I have been ready for a while. मैंने अपने बाल कर्ल करने का सोचा, फिर मैंने बोला बहुत टाइम लगेगा और गर्मी में सारे बाल वैसे ही फट जाने हैं, सो क्या फ़ायदा. बस मैंने ऊपर से थोड़ा सा लाइक स्ट्रेटनर मार लिया है. आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ लाइक चॉपिंग माई हेयर एंड गेटिंग लेयर्स, लाइक लॉन्ग लेयर्स. आई फील लाइक थोड़े से बोरिंग हो गए मेरे हेयर, सो आई डोंट रियली डू एनीथिंग विद देम. दिस इज़ माई आउटफिट. लव इट. सिंपल, ईजी ब्रीजी. And yeah, just waiting for the guests now. देखते हैं नीचे क्या preps हो गई हैं. I did ask Numan to light the candles in the drawing room, so I'm pretty sure those should be done by now. So let's go check. भाई हमारे पहले मेहमान आ गए चुपचाप से ड्राइंग रूम में आके बैठ गए. कैंडल भी जल गई है, which is lovely. और सेटअप भी बहुत अच्छा सा हो गया है. बहुत कोजी किया हुआ था नुमान ने ये. आई एम लविंग दिस कॉर्नर. या इसको मैं बंद करके दिखाती हूँ. चलें लाइट बंद करके भी देखें गाइस. लुक्स सो नाइस. फुल मूड लाइटिंग चल रही है भाई यहाँ पे. देयर वी गो. आई वांट अ पिक्चर हियर. सब आएंगे तो फिर लेंगे पिक्स. गाइस डिनर हैज़ बीन सर्व्ड. जैसा वेट कर. कबाब्स, made that salan. चलें स्टार्ट करें प्लीज. Guys, look the kheer I made. Yummy. We just finished having dinner and meetha and chai, and I'm gonna get reviews from everybody. Babs, what was your?
You did not vlog me yet. I am the highlight of this vlog.
Yeah, Babs, what's up? How are you?
Was good.
Was good. Babs, what was your favorite thing?
What was my favorite thing? Myself, obviously. Second favorite was Temu.
Babs, to eat.
You're so self-obsessed.
Yes.
Leave that in, yes.
I am narcissist 100.
I'm literally looking for a tareef from you.
Okay. That's also narcissist. Your kadhai was actually really good.
Yeah.
मैंने बहुत खाई.
It wasn't kahai.
It was achari chicken.
Achari chicken kadhai thing. But it was
Yes.
I made it, dude. इन लोगों को यकीन नहीं आ रहा कि मैंने बनाई थी.
I still don't believe
I made it. I even have a vlog of it. I'll show it to
I
you.
100% believe you.
I made the kheer as well.
I never doubt you.
Oh, Bob, you're so
Please
sweet.
rise up.
Yeah. So, Taimur, what was your favorite?
I think clear chai chicken.
Chai chicken. Tabish, what was your favorite?
I think the malai roti.
Mmm.
But the chai chicken was nice as well.
Yeah, the malai boti was pretty good as well. Like a smolder.
This, why does your accent get like so fake?
हेलो 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 आज है सेकेंड डे ऑफ ईद. कल मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा व्लॉग किया बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई वाज होस्टिंग, तो फिर यू नो आप थोड़े बिजी हो जाते हैं व्हेन यू आर होस्टिंग. एंड आई स्लेप्ट अराउंड लाइक 3:30. हम लोग दावत से फ्री हुए थे अराउंड I think 12:30. Then we cleaned up a little bit and then we watched a little bit of YouTube. हमने चुपके चुपके ख़त्म कर लिया. एंड में बहुत चीज़ी कर दिया था उन्होंने, हज़म नहीं हो रहा था. And then we slept. So yeah, it was a very fulfilling but a tiring day. आज मैं उठी हूँ और I watched my show on TV which was Chai Toast Your Host और that was really nice. मज़ा आया था उस शो में. That was on Dawn News. I'll insert clippings from that day in this vlog so you guys can see the behind the scenes, and I'll also leave a link to the show in the description, so if you want to go see this show then you can follow that link और आप वहाँ पे उस शो को देख सकते हैं. आज है संडे. आज हम तैयार हुए हैं, हम जा रहे हैं Dawn News के ऑफिस because I'm gonna be on a show. If you guys remember, I was on a show Chai Host or Toast. I think back in August, September, 14th August के time पे. So they're having me over again. I'm not sure if it's the same show, I'll let you know, but it's about Eid, and this time we're also going to be with Saman and Fatma, which is Stroll with Saman and Glossits. So it's going to be a lot more fun because there are going to be more people, and last time I was बहुत nervous थी, so I'm not as nervous this time because I feel like I've been there before, I know. So yeah, I have just dressed up for Eid, basically pretty desi. That's what they told me how to dress up as. And yeah, I'm excited to see. I think Eid ke din aayega. I'm not sure when it's airing, but I'll let you guys know about it, obviously. So yeah, exciting. Saman अपने बाल बंद करते हुए क्योंकि उनके बाल अभी तक बंद. Oh wow. क्या करें?
We have to get them done.
Yeah, we had to get them done. So I've been waiting. I'm early.
Yes. 10 minutes early only.
No, but I'm still early.
10 minutes after I came late, we were ready. Yes. Since 8:30. Yeah.
Since 8:30, I woke up at 8:30.
मैंने वीडियो बना ली थी ना, वो तुम्हारा.
So अब हमारा शो होने वाला है और निवल के पहले समन के बाल बनेंगे, तो हम वेट करेंगे अभी उनके बालों का, and then we're probably gonna go. Guys, we're on the set of Chai Toast or Host, and someone's got her hair done. मैं भी आ जाऊँ. Now you're ready.
मैंने मास्क नहीं पहना हुआ, ऐसे की वायलेशन मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ?
जल्दी से पहन ले. तो हम यहाँ बैठेंगे. We're just gonna get all mic'd up. So we're just gonna get all mic'd up.
आ रही नहीं, मालूम जब से आई है.
सबसे आई बोली मुझे करना है, मुझे करना है, मुझे करना है.
हुई जा रही. I'm ready.
Okay,
So let's take
finally,
pics.
मतलब after 3 years, someone is ready. Now we're gonna take pics.
हम ऐसे करना तो मिलता. हम साइकिल. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I look so pagal
अरे थोड़ा सा पेन इधर हो गया है ना?
ये extra.
या एक और कर देते हैं.
Get the perfect boomy, guys.
That doesn't happen though, but we're still
We're
trying.
still trying.
1, 2, 3.
Makeup, love the hair.
नहीं हो रहा. नहीं ये नहीं हो रहा.
Chalo, we're about to sit in our seats. Someone ने पहले अपनी सीट पसंद कर ली कि she was mixing with, yeah, she was mixing on the sofa.
Someone wants to sit there?
Yeah, because
Oh, look at those cupcakes. Yummy. Someone हमारे interviews लेंगी.
और मैं टोस्ट हूँ.
अच्छा, और मैं चाय हूँ. और मुझे चाय बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं
You're the most tempting one here. Oh, you're right.
I don't like chai.
One
But
person who
whoa,
actually relate to it.
ये देखो.
I was you before, but now I'm not. Not anymore. Please मुझे देखना है कि मैं कैसे
फोन गिर गया.
फोन गिर गया.
इसका stopper. Oh, I'll have to take these off then.
अगर मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर नहीं होती तो मैं
Interior designer.
मैं तो ये बोल ही नहीं सकती कि मैं तो हूँ ही डेंटिस्ट.
आज है सेकेंड डे ऑफ ईद. बहुत क्रेज़ी भूख लगी है। कल दावत का खाना खाएंगे सब, जो बहुत हिट हुआ था। मेरा जो सालन था वो बहुत हिट हुआ और खीर बड़ी हिट हुई, तो मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ। और आज मैं वही खाऊंगी बिकॉज़ आई एम सो हंग्री और पेट में से आवाज़ें आ रही हैं। बट आई जस्ट वांट टू टेक आउट माई क्लोथ्स एंड आई एम गोना वेयर टुडे। आज हम जा रहे हैं मेरे पेरेंट्स के घर, सो आई एम गोना मीट एवरीवन अगेन एंड जस्ट टेकिंग आउट माई, आई ड्रॉप्ड इट, जस्ट टेकिंग आउट माई आउटफिट, क्योंकि नमान जो गए हैं वो गए हैं कब्रिस्तान। So I was thinking कि मैं पहले कपड़े शपड़े इस्त्री करके रख दूँ, so when he comes we can just, you know, chill and leave. I'm gonna be wearing this today. My mom gave this to me as an Eid gift. ये है कलमकार की लॉन I think, and I love it. I am ready to go to our दावत at my parents. उससे पहले हम जाएंगे नुमान की नानी के घर. So I am fully ready. मैंने सोच लिया कि मैं अब कर्ल कर लेती हूँ बाल, कर लेती हूँ क्या बोल रही हूँ, कर लेती हूँ बिकॉज कल मेरा बहुत दिल था बाल कर्ल करने का, बट ऑब्वियसली कल टाइम नहीं मिला. Yeah, I really like my earrings. They're like leaves. Kept my makeup pretty neutral. This is my overall look with glasses because eye infection. I'm wearing my new glasses and I look like a proper teacher. And this is my new bag. और मैंने ना पहले सोचा था nude heels, but then I was like, no, black heels. Let's go. Guys, as always, we did some makeup on Bubs.
Not as always, Bubs begged for this.
Yeah. So,
I
looking
started
nice.
I'm always looking nice though.
Self made. And I think the roti's here because I heard the bell.
Yeah.
Let's go. Here's Bubs hanging out at the kids' table. And Tabish as well, hanging out at the kids' table. I used to hang out here as well. I feel like
the conversation at the adult table is boring.
I think I'm gonna bring my chair out here. Mom, do you want to sit inside with the adults or at the kids?
Yeah, I would rather sit with you.
Really? Why?
Feels
More adult.
yeah.
Because you know what, I was just saying to Mom, do I look like an auntie? He's like, you have to look like an auntie now.
I
Have
didn't
to?
say that.
That's a
I
mandatory
said
thing.
it's not bad to if you look like an auntie.
No, it is
once in a
bad.
while.
It is really bad if you look
Because
like an adult.
I
You
kind
look like an
of look
auntie.
like an uncle now, so
No, you don't look like an uncle.
You are what you feel like.
You are what you
I'm 16. ताना बाना की लास्ट एपिसोड देखी जा रही है बड़े गौर से, और खाना वाना खा लिया है, बहुत खा लिया है, पेट भर चुका है, बहुत मज़े का खाना था. और जिसके देख सकते हैं सब बहुत बिजी हैं अपने फ़ोन्स पे और ड्रामे में, फ़ोन्स पे ज़्यादा. Pupsy, does it feel like Eid?
Yeah.
How does it feel like Eid?
So I just got ED.
You just got Eid. How much Eid do you have so far?
6K.
Really? Who gave you 1,000?
Auntie.
Oh, very
Mom and
nice.
Dad still haven't given anything.
I got 2,500.
That's a lot.
I've given more than I've taken. It's net is lost basically. I'm in minuses.
You're in the red.
I'm in the red. Assalamu alaikum. Today is the third day of Eid. आज हमारे घर एक दावत थी, but we cancelled it because of COVID. It is the heat wave today, so आज और कल दोनों दिन heat wave रही है कराची में. That means we've had web temperatures as high as 42 degrees, which is pretty crazy. और AC के बगैर जो है गुजारा बहुत मुश्किल है. This is the third time I've showered and I'm still sweaty again. तो अब समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि बंदा क्या करे, like permanent shower ले ले. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you somewhere. So hi, yeah, so what's been happening is कल I went to my parents और उनके घर we had like our dinner. And the thing is कि मैंने इतना vlog नहीं किया because I am really struggling with my eye infection, guys. Like things are getting very blur every single day and I can't wait कि lockdown ख़त्म हो so I can go to the doctors. I think ईद की छुट्टियाँ Sunday तक हैं, so Monday inshallah I will be going and seeing an eye doctor and taking this medication very seriously. मैंने अभी अपना फ़ोन का usage कम कर दिया. I have not been able to put vlogs on the right time. I've been missing my upload dates and literally सिर्फ जो deadlines थी from brands I've only been doing that because I mean I'm trying to give my eyes a break, so I hope you guys will understand that. Gujarat we have our close relatives coming in, like a very small family. ईद की like खाने वाने के लिए, because we didn't get a chance to meet anybody from Iman's family this Eid. So you know, not to call everybody, just a few people. I feel like that would be fine. Anyway guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Instagram engagement. I don't know by the time you're watching this video उस वक्त तक क्या scene है, but since we started speaking about Palestine and the issues and the, like, you know, basically posting news from there, my engagement has completely tanked. Instagram पे like 1 घंटे में वीडियो पे व्यूज़ भी नहीं आ रहे हैं, कुछ मतलब स्टोरी के व्यूज़ भी कम हैं. So that really kind of goes to show कि there is some sort of censorship going on. So if you are someone who follows me on Instagram, please do engage with the content that I'm posting and share stuff. That would help a lot of people out. Doing my hair, guys, should I cut my hair? I'm thinking I should cut my hair. Like at least I should get some like layers put in, because abhi like they fall flat. I want some layers. I think I'm gonna get layers. Let's do it. This is what I was able to create in my very boring length hair at the moment. कुछ और बनाना चाह रही थी, मतलब ये बन गया है. So I'm just gonna go with it. But yeah, let's go. Hello everyone. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. Yeah. On this note, I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next week's video. Bye.